Hey everyone, and welcome to High Risk Merchant Accounts 101, brought to you by SoarPay. If your store is built on Shopify and you're in a high-risk industry like nutraceuticals, firearms, or travel, this episode is for you. We're diving into how payment gateways work on Shopify and what high-risk merchants need to watch out for when it comes to choosing the right one. Because if you get this wrong, you could face frozen funds, account shutdowns, or worse. Let's start with the basics. A payment gateway is the tool that securely transmits your customer's card data from your checkout page to your payment processor. Shopify makes this easy by offering their own in-house solution called Shopify Payments. It's streamlined, simple to set up, and tightly integrated with the platform. But here's the catch. Shopify Payments is not designed for high-risk merchants. That's because Shopify Payments is actually a payment facilitator, just like Stripe or Square. And while they promote instant approval, that approval isn't really final. What actually happens is that you're onboarded with minimal review up front, but true underwriting doesn't happen until after you start processing. That's when the problems begin. If your products or business model fall into a high-risk category, even if you're fully legal and transparent, you might suddenly find your account frozen, your deposits withheld for months, or your entire merchant account terminated without warning. That's why high-risk Shopify merchants should avoid Shopify payments altogether. Instead, the solution is to use a third-party gateway that integrates with your Shopify store, but connects to a merchant account that actually supports your industry. Two of the most reliable gateways for this are NMI and Authorize.net. Both are fully compatible with Shopify when set up correctly. And more importantly, both are capable of connecting to high-risk merchant accounts so you can process payments safely and stay compliant. Shopify supports third-party gateways through its hosted payment SDK or via approved third-party app integrations. This lets you plug in a gateway like NMI or Authorize.net so that when a customer checks out, they're routed to a secure hosted payment page and the transaction flows through your high-risk compatible merchant account. Let's briefly look at what each of these gateways brings to the table. NMI is incredibly flexible. It includes robust fraud detection tools, supports multiple MIDs for load balancing, and even offers hosted payment pages that can be styled to match your brand. If you're operating at scale or expect to be, NMI is a powerful option. Authorize.net, on the other hand, is one of the most recognized gateways in the industry. It's reliable, widely supported, and integrates well with Shopify through apps and plugins. It doesn't have as many advanced features as NMI, but for many high-risk merchants, it gets the job done smoothly. Now, here's something important to remember. Neither NMI or Authorize.net is inherently high risk. What matters is who you connect them to. These gateways must be paired with a high-risk merchant account provider like SoarPay that actually accepts your business type. When it comes to setting this all up, there are a few critical tips for success. First, work with a specialist who understands high-risk industries. Don't try to DIY this. Mistakes during setup can cost you in downtime or declined payments. Second, be sure to use Shopify's alternative payments integration path. This is different from the standard Shopify checkout flow, and it's specifically designed to accommodate third-party gateways. And third, always test your setup thoroughly before going live. Hosted payment pages can behave differently depending on your theme, app stack, or checkout customizations. So verify everything from start to finish. So let's wrap it up. If you're in a high-risk vertical, do not rely on Shopify payments. It's not built for your business. Instead, choose a gateway like NMI or Authorize.net, pair it with a high-risk merchant account, and work with an experienced provider that's going to help make sure everything is configured properly. Want to learn more about high-risk payment processing? Subscribe for more insights and check out SoarPay for solutions tailored to your business needs. See you next time.